you're handling customer service with Zendesk. But running your store with Shopify, neither connects like you need it to. But your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when new orders are placed in Shopify, create corresponding support tickets in Zendesk for order tracking. Or update Shopify order statuses when related support tickets are resolved in Zendesk. Or even automatically create priority support tickets when high-value Shopify orders are paid. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Zendesk and Shopify, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.